Hey, it's Glenn from Digital Synergy, and in this video, I wanted to talk to you about Groovepages' lifetime offer and let you know that they're actually going to be increasing the price soon, so stay tuned for more details. Okay, so if you haven't heard, Groovepages is the latest funnel builder on the market, and it is on pace to beat out actually most of its competition. In fact, if not all of its competition, including Clickfunnels. And it's actually already surpassed Clickfunnels last month in terms of the amount of users that it has. I believe it exceeded over 100,000 users. Now, Groovepages was developed by Mike Filsaime. This is Mike right here. And you'll see this video if you click on the link below, and you can check out basically what he has to say about the lifetime access. But I wanted to give you the scoop right here, and it was developed by Mike Filsaime, and actually I mentioned Groovefunnels, and Russell Brunson is the creator, a developer for Clickfunnels, but Russell Brunson was actually one of Mike's first affiliates on one of his softwares. And Mike Filsaime is very successful online marketer. He's got many successful products. You might have heard of some of them are Kartra, Eva Webinar, as well as Webinar Jam. So he's really got a great track record, and he's basically developing this new product that is right now, the reason that they're doing this lifetime offer is that it is in beta. So it's not going to work perfectly right out of the gate, although every day new improvements are coming out, new features. They're working very diligently and very hard. It is functional right now, but just so you know, it is in beta, so there might be a few bugs here and there. So so I want to let you know you can still get in on this, although they are going to be increasing the price. Right now, you can get in for Groovepages for just $4.97, and this is for the funnel builder, as well as it allows you to actually create full branded websites as well. There's no other funnel builder that does that. So that means you get unlimited funnels, unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited hosting. And if you sign up from my link below, I'm actually also going to give you access to this great ground-breaking system that gets you on the top of Google and YouTube. It's developed by an internet marketer that's actually making over $54,000 on just one product using this system. And you can get this absolutely free as a bonus for signing up through my link below. So once you create, and the reason you need this is because once you create your funnels with Groovepages, and you start building funnels or businesses or whatever that it is that you're doing, products and services, you'll be able to drive you'll be able to drive traffic to any product or service. Now, although you can actually get a lifetime account of Groovepages without even upgrading for the one-time price of $4.97, you want to go for the upgrade, because the version that's free, it's a light version. There are some limitations to it. You're not going to get the full experience of having a free account. Plus, again, remember, you just pay one time and you'll never have to pay them again. It's going to just save you a tremendous amount of money. Also, this includes hosting, so you'll never have to pay any hosting fees again. And on top of that, you're also going to get some of their applications included with it is GrooveSell and Groove Affiliate. And these products basically allow you to set up funnels for your products and services to sell online, as well as if you wanted to set up an affiliate program for it. Now, I wanted to show you a quick look inside, just to show you how easy it is to use. So once you log in, you sign up for your account, you're going to have all this. Now, all of this isn't ready, but basically you'll have access to these Groovepages, GrooveSell, and Groove Affiliate. So today I want to show you basically Groovepages. And so when you click on Groovepages here, the first thing you'll see, yours is going to be empty because you haven't created any projects yet. But basically these are all your sites or your funnels that you're working on. In order to create a new funnel or a new site, you would just click on here, New Site, and it'll take you to this, where you can start a project basically from scratch. And it's really easy to do that. Actually, I show you how to do that on one of my other videos, so please feel free to go check that out on my channel. But if not, you can just go and select one of these easy to use templates. Now, they are going to be releasing more and more templates every day or every week on an ongoing basis. They're currently, they haven't even, this isn't even half of them. There's like hundreds that are coming out. So you would choose one of these. For my example, actually, I want to go back and just select from one of these projects here that I have going. And so I'm going to open it in the editor. You select it there, that link that says open editor. Okay, so basically it takes you inside of, this is inside of Groovepages now. So on the left hand side here, you're going to see this is the menu. Now this whole interface is going to change. I mean, not drastically, but what I mean is right now you have blocks, elements, pages, and pop-ups. Pretty soon it's going to also include an element that basically is specifically for funnels. So it'll show you every step in the funnel, and it'll show you nice screenshots of the funnels, of the pages. Right now you can see they have the blocks, and basically what blocks are is basically you can just grab any element that you want to add to your site, you know, whether it's a call to action or some sort of cover element, or footers, or forms, any element, doesn't matter what it is. So let's say, as an example, I wanted to add this form right here to the bottom of my, yeah, let's take it to the bottom of the page here, and we just go figure out where we want to put it. And let's say we wanted to put that right over here. So we would just drop and drag, and there it is. It's right there. And then from here, you know, we could actually just, if we didn't like that position, we could move it underneath here, let's say. So it's just, it's simple as that. And as you can see, this selection bar, I'm sorry, this when you click on it, it has this little handle here, or a little crossbar, and that's what you use to move the element up or down. Now you can also, if you didn't no longer want an element, which I'll show you that in a minute, we can trash it. We can make a duplicate. I'll make a duplicate real quick just to show you, and then I'll trash it. And then I'll ask you if you're sure. And then also you can mark this as a favorite. So if you've customized this, you went in, you put in your logo, and basically configured it to your email, where you want your autoresponder to go. To go on with this, you can mark this as a favorite, and then once you go here and you've selected it as a favorite, for example, this is a favorite of mine that I was working on another project, and then you can just go in and drop and drag any element as well, and you have it there for your projects on an ongoing basis. So there it is. So I'm just going to delete this as well, and continue moving forward. So so you have blocks, then you have elements, and then for elements you can basically create, so for example here they have columns. So this is created on 3 columns. As you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3, and that's how basically you would select the element, select the columns, and then basically if you wanted to do a 4-column design, you would select 4. In this case, like I said, that's 3. And then you would just put in the elements that you want inside. So for example, text, like, so this is a headline, for example. So in the elements, you would just drag your H1 tag inside here. So as an example here, I'll put another heading there, and then you can just drop it in there and say another heading. Okay, and then you know, just like any other editor you have, on the right hand side, you can make changes to it. You can center it. You can mess with the letter spacing, the line height, the name, the type of the name of the font, or the type of font rather. I'm sorry. So you can just make changes there, which is pretty straightforward. If you double click on this, it'll give you this, just like any word processor, so you can make changes within here, you know, strike through, underline, you know, all your basic elements that you can mess with. So we have that there as well. And let's see what else I can show. Okay, so then so with pages, so as I mentioned, you can basically create a whole entire website. So this, if I wanted this to be an entire website, I could make this an entire website. I'm going to go ahead and delete this. What you would do is basically just go into your pages, and then I could just go ahead and make a clone of this page, for example. And so once I've cloned that page, it basically, you see up here, it says it's a home. I have a home and I have a home copy. So if we're going to go into the working on the home copy, we go here and we can just go in here and edit, rename the page. So here I'm just going to rename it, and we're going to just say home. I'm sorry, let's just pretend this was going to be our About Us page. So we would just change that, click on that, and then that's our About Us page. And you also would want to go in, and then this changes the actual name of the URL. So right now it would this would be index copy. So we would just change this as well. So we would just say About Us. Okay, and then here you have, this is all the aspects of where you would change your metadata for SEO and stuff like that. For tracking Google Analytics, or if you're doing any Facebook advertising, it's all here in one easy place. Yep, and then here another great feature that it has is if you ever did something and you just want to undo it, you have this here. And then you can also just preview your page by clicking on this, and then here it gives you a preview of basically any changes that you've done. And then of course, if you wanted to basically host your site, you can either host it on your own domain. I'm not going to show you that. I'll show you that in another video. But you can just host on their site. So for example, here, this I'm hosting it on Groovepages, Digital Synergy, which is my company, Groovepages, and then I just named it Free Lifetime. So you just click on that, and then you click Publish, and then once you've published it, then you can just open a new tab, and that's the page that basically you've published. And as you can see here, it's hosted on Groovepages. But again, you can host this on your own domain, and you'll get unlimited domains. All right, so remember, this lifetime offer for Groovepages is not going to be available forever, and the price is going to be increasing very soon. So jump in now while it's at the lowest price that it'll ever be, and you only have to pay once. You'll never have to pay them again. Also, remember, when you sign up for my link, I'm going to give you the free bonus for a 24-hour ranking course that gets your products and services showing up in Google and on YouTube. So go ahead, click the link below, and I will see you next time.